Have you ever grown strawberry plants that look healthy, full of green leaves, but the fruits stay small, sour, or barely appear at all? Most gardeners think strawberries are difficult, but the truth is simple. Strawberries are easy to grow when you understand a few basic rules in this video. I'm not sharing textbook advice. I'm sharing the exact methods I use to get bigger, sweeter strawberries and more fruit from each plant. Whether you're growing strawberries in pots, grow bags, or in the ground, these tips will work for you. Stay with me because one small mistake can ruin your entire harvest, and I'll show you how to avoid it. Strawberries are one of the most loved fruits in home gardening, but they're also one of the most misunderstood. Many people plant them, water them daily, and wait patiently, yet the results are disappointing. The problem is not your effort. The problem is missing the right technique at the right time. In this masterclass, I'll walk you through strawberry growing step by step, just like I would explain it to a close friend. We'll talk about soil, sunlight, watering, feeding, and plant management in a very practical way. No complicated science, no confusing terms, only what actually works in real home gardens. If you follow these steps properly, you won't just get more strawberries. You'll get larger fruits, better taste, and healthier plants that keep producing again and again. Choosing the right strawberry variety. First step to a huge harvest is picking the right strawberry variety. Not all strawberries are the same, and choosing the wrong type can limit your results, no matter how well you care for them. There are three main types: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. June-bearing strawberries produce a single large harvest once a year. Ever-bearing plants give to smaller harvests per season. Day-neutral varieties produce fruits continuously throughout the growing season, which makes them perfect for beginners or those who want a steady supply. For home gardens, I recommend day-neutral varieties because they are forgiving and reliable. Popular options include Seascape, Albion, and TriStar. Always buy healthy, certified plants from a reputable nursery. Avoid plants with brown crowns or dried leaves. Remember, the right variety combined with proper care will set the foundation for bigger, sweeter strawberries. 2. Perfect soil mix for big strawberry. Thrive in loose, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Compact soil restricts root growth and reduces fruit size. The ideal soil mix is a combination of garden soil, compost, and cocoa peat or sand. This keeps the soil light, aerated, and nutrient-rich. Avoid heavy clay soils that retain water, as this can lead to root rot. Soil pH is another important factor. Strawberries prefer slightly acidic soil, around 5.5 to 6.5. You can test this with a simple pH kit, adding a handful of organic compost or well-rotted manure before planting improves fertility. Healthy soil doesn't just feed the plant, it encourages strong roots, vigorous growth, and large fruits. Take time to prepare the soil properly, because even the best watering and sunlight can't fix poor soil. 3. Sunlight rules you must follow. Sunlight is critical for strawberries. Plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. Morning sun is ideal because it warms the plants gradually and dries morning dew, reducing disease risk. Without sufficient sunlight, fruits remain small, pale, and sour. Position your pots, raised beds, or garden patch where they receive maximum sunlight. If you live in a very hot climate, a little afternoon shade can prevent leaves from scorching, but don't block sun entirely. Watch your plants for signs of light deficiency, pale leaves, fewer flowers, or weak growth. Adequate sunlight triggers photosynthesis, which converts energy into sugar stored in the fruits, making them sweeter and bigger. 4. Watering mistakes that kill. Yield. Watering is one of the most common mistakes gardeners make. Strawberries need consistent moisture, but overwatering or wet leaves can ruin your harvest. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. The crown, where leaves meet roots, must stay dry to prevent fungal diseases. Drip irrigation or watering at the base is the best method. Water early in the morning to allow the soil to dry before night. Avoid overhead sprinklers on a sunny day. They can burn leaves and spread disease. Strawberries are sensitive to drought, and small dry spells can stress the plant, reducing fruit size. Mastering watering ensures plants stay healthy and fruits grow to their full potential. 5. Feeding for bigger fruits. Fertilizing strawberries correctly can dramatically improve fruit size and flavor. Young plants need a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to develop strong roots and leaves. Once flowers appear, reduce nitrogen and increase potassium, which promotes fruit development and sweetness. Compost and organic matter are excellent for regular feeding. Apply a thin layer around the plants every few weeks. Avoid overfeeding with chemical fertilizers, as excess nitrogen creates large leaves but small or no fruits. Liquid fertilizers during flowering can also help boost growth. Well-fed plants are more resistant to stress and disease and consistently produce larger, juicier strawberries. 6. Flower and runner management. Per flower and runner management can double your strawberry harvest when the plant is young. Remove the first few flowers. This allows the roots to grow stronger before fruiting. Once the plant is established, leave flowers to produce fruit runners, the horizontal stems that grow from the main plant. Also compete for energy. Too many runners mean less energy for fruit. Pinch or trim excess runners unless you want to propagate new plants. By controlling flowers and runners strategically, you focus the plant's energy on producing bigger and sweeter strawberries. This is a simple yet powerful technique often overlooked by beginners. 7. Mulching for clean and healthy fruits. Mulching is a key secret for large, clean strawberries. It prevents weeds, conserves moisture, and keeps fruits off the soil, reducing rot. Straw, dry leaves, or even plastic mulch work well. Spread a layer around each plant, leaving a little space near the crown to prevent fungal problems. Mulching also moderates soil temperature, keeping roots cool in summer and warm in winter. It helps retain consistent moisture, which encourages even fruit growth. In addition, mulch protects against pests and keeps berries clean, making them more attractive and marketable if you're selling them. Proper mulching is a small step with big results. 8. Pest and disease prevention. Healthy strawberries resist pests naturally, but vigilance is necessary. Common pests include aphids, spider mites, and slugs. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spot can also reduce yield. Inspect plants regularly and remove affected leaves immediately. Neem oil or organic insecticidal sprays can help prevent infestations. Avoid overcrowding plants to improve air circulation. Early prevention is far more effective than treating severe infestations. By maintaining clean, healthy plants and keeping pests under control, you ensure the plant can focus on producing big, sweet fruits rather than fighting infections. 9. Harvesting at the right time. Harvesting strawberries at the correct stage ensures maximum flavor and sweetness. Always pick fully red berries. Strawberries do not ripen after picking, so premature harvesting reduces quality. Twist gently or cut the stem to avoid damaging the plant. Regular harvesting encourages more flowers and fruits. Check plants every 2 to 3 days during peak season. Store harvested berries carefully in a cool, dry place and avoid washing until ready to eat. Proper harvesting techniques keep plants healthy and productive, ensuring you enjoy large, delicious strawberries throughout the season.
And that's it, my complete guide to growing hug-sweet strawberries at home. From picking the right variety to perfect soil, sunlight, watering, feeding and harvesting. Every step counts. Follow this step carefully and your plant will reward to bigger, tastier and fruit season after season. If you have learned something new today, give the video a thumb up and share it with their friends who loves gardening. Comment below and tell me which tip you are going to try first. Show me your strawberry garden. I love see your results. Don't forget like and subscribe. More practical gardening tip and masterclass like this one. Thanks for watching and happy strawberry growing.